Now we're going to take a look at the review sources section of the form here. And what we have are several review websites where we can send visitors to our client's website. So Big Air Jumpers, when we drop this widget on their web page, a visitor, when they want to write a review, the business, for example, could say, please visit our website, and click on the review button to write a review for us. And when they do that, they'll have whatever options we enable here. For example, if we want people to go to Google to write reviews, which would probably be a good choice, you would enable Google, but you'd also want to provide the direct link to their page on Google Maps or Google Places. So here's their listing that we had pulled up before. So if I go to their info page on Google Places, and what I want to do is I just want to copy it, and I want to grab the link for whatever this page is. Now, my browser bar, my window, all it shows is maps.google.com because it's being pulled up via JavaScript and that sort of thing. But they provide a link up here as a way to link directly to this page. So if I click this and then copy this URL for Big Air Jumpers, and then go back into my plugin, I can update that. And then also, as an example, we can look at Yahoo. So if we go into Yahoo, I've already pulled up their page on Yahoo here. So if I go into my browser bar, my address bar up here, and I highlight and copy that address, I can then go back into my plugin and update that as well. So many of these places are specialty sites. For example, Grubhub, Menuism are restaurant review sites, Urban Spoon, and I think those are most of those. But so you wouldn't want to enable, say, Menuism for Big Air Jumpers, or this site here, Skitty, is for senior citizen discounts. So that would only be if it applies to that business. Urban Spoon, same thing as restaurant websites. So you'd only enable those for restaurants. And just because they're all here doesn't mean you necessarily want to send users to every single site available. You might prefer to send them between Google and Yahoo or possibly Bing. One thing to note is that the Google reviews are not included in what you see below here, and the reason for that is Google does not allow their reviews to be included on other websites or other systems. These other sites here allow for the inclusion of the reviews onto other sites. So if someone's on City Search and has reviews, or Insider Pages, Menuism, or Judy's Book, the reviews that are for that business will show up in your plugin. So yeah, once you enable these will begin to appear on the client's website as an option for a review site. When the visitor goes there and they want to write a review, they'd be presented with whichever ones we have enabled here. And I will go into detail on what that looks like here in another video.